Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have another mail call here, and this one is a great one. So I just want to let you guys know this one just came in. I was getting ready to leave to go to my sister-in-law's house, be with my nieces, nephews, in-laws, everyone for Christmas, do our Christmas Eve. And by the way, Merry Christmas Eve to everybody. Sorry, I'm super excited about this one. UPS just rolled up. I thought that I was going to miss it. I thought that I was going to leave before it got here, because that's what happened with the last package. For whatever reason, the last package showed up at like 8 o'clock at night, and I had already left for dinner and did a whole bunch of stuff with my wife. But I am glad that this one actually came early. I got it while I was still working, so perfect. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and open this up for you guys. Again, super excited. There are 6 coins within here, but they're a little special. So let's go ahead and open it up. I do want to give a shout out to my buddy Tim Black. Tim, if you're seeing this, man, it's always great working with you. You put the signature on here, got it out here real quick. I think I bought this 3 days ago, and it's already here, even with all of the other issues that everybody else is having with USPS and getting their presents and everything in the mail. I'm just super glad that this was able to get to me, no issues. All right, let's go ahead, and there they are. All right, so let's go ahead and start with this one. I actually didn't know that. There we go. Nice COA, US Mint, Money Reserve, and here they are. Count them up: 5 1/10 ounce 999 gold. Now these are super nice. Again, fantastic deal. And trying to increase my gold that I've had, so definitely love it. It's definitely going to look great in my collection. All right, and then let's go ahead and move on to this next one here. Oh, that's nice. I always like that from the US Mint. Nice little display cases, display boxes. Okay. 2014 American Eagle 1/10 ounce golden proof. Nice. I love it. That reverse. Yeah, I'm calling cameo. Still close to that front. Would you call cameo? Yep, I call cameo. Sorry, I'm looking at it in different angles. Very nice, I like it. Let me do one more closer on these ones here for you guys. I had a buddy who he was trying to talk me into getting some of these graded. I have other 1/10 ouncers. He says, yeah, go ahead, get them graded, but whenever they're the BU, they're the not proofs, anything like that. I mean, you have to think in, economically. it's really not going to add that much value to get, say, MS70 on one of these. You may add a couple of bucks, but I really don't think that it's going to outweigh the grading fees and shipping, handling everything in order to get it sent over to, say, NGC or PCGS. So, no, these are just going to go as they are in my collection right behind me, and get one last look. Again, thank you so much, and I hope you have a happy I was gonna say Halloween. Hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year, and I'll see you next time.